cutter.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox the Accenture's welcome kit. So I ordered this like 5 days ago and dumating siya agad. Ayan yung cutter. Ayan. Okay, so you will receive a welcome kit once you get hired sa Accenture. Ayan. Tignan natin kung anong meron. So it was delivered by GNT today and I'm excited to open. So I have an idea kung anong laman ng box. Pero ayan, charan. So, box may Accenture logo. Ayan, Accenture. Pag nakakita ka daw ng mga taong nagaganito, Accenture. So let's open. Charan, let's see. May abubot-abubot para to sa pusa. Ayan. Wow! Pabam! So, tumbler. Accenture na tumbler. Napakainit. So, hindi siya kagaya ng mga ibang tumbler na nakita ko before. So, yung ibang version ay wood. Ay, meron siyang charan! May straw sa loob. At ganito. So, iba na yung ano. Iba na yung tumbler. Hindi na siya kagaya nung yung nakita ko kasi bamboo style na parang regular na Aqua Plus na tumbler, pero bamboo yung nakapaikot. Pero ito iba, more on sporty side yung pagkagawa ng tumbler na to. So ang disadvantage sa tumbler na to, mahirap siyang hugasan dahil meron siyang ano, parang sip-sipan. So pang workout na tumbler. Maliban sa tumbler, merong, let's see, notebook at ballpen. May message, welcome, all the items in this box are recyclable and sourced with sustainability in mind. When you're done using them, please recycle and pass them on. So notebook na mukhang gayamanin. Accenture Limitless chuchu. Notebook. Charan. Notebook blank at so magandang quality ng notebook at magandang quality ng ballpen. Try daw natin. Leadership essentials. Maganda nga. So aside from ballpen and notebook, ano pa ba?
Ako sirain, picturean pa natin.
Wala na, Dayami. Yan na. So basically isang brochure, isang notebook at tumbler. So tumbler na yung pinaka magandang item sa loob. Pero maganda din yung notebook. Ayan. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe. And by the way, pag pumasok kayo sa Accenture, you will not regret it. Like, napakahirap ng recruitment process. It's super difficult with the pre-employment requirements. Sobrang hirap. Pero kapag nakita mo yung benefit, the benefits are super amazing. Like HMO, all the allowances. You will be proud that you applied and you got hired sa Accenture. Yan. So, bye-bye. See you next video.